I'm Brittany with WTI, and after a long hard day, I love just to relax and wash all that stress away. And nothing helps me to do that more than this Rohkex white shower stool. It was so easy to put together. It comes with the instructions. You just have the 2 shelves. You put the 3 legs on the main top, and then you put in the screws. You attach the second shelf to it, and then the feet, and you're good to go. This is waterproof, so you can put it in the shower with you. You can put all the things that you need, your shampoo, your conditioner. This can hold up to 300 pounds, so I can easily sit on it. You can sit down and just breathe in that good, healthy steam. I really appreciate the stability that it gives me when I'm washing my feet or shaving my legs. We have a nice, beautiful tub, which has a lot of space around it, and this fits so perfectly on the edge of it, so it adds extra shelving. And also you can set this up on the side of your bathtub for when you are taking that time to relax, and you can have something to drink, something to eat, anything that you need that's going to allow you to de-stress. I absolutely love this. It is just such a sturdy, strong, high quality stool that I think can fill any bath time, shower time need. And that's my point of view.